This spot's perfect. Sit by me, Grandpup. Come on, you know what they say. The early fisherman catches the fish.
Whoever they are, they ignorant.
Not biting yet, but they will.
I'll try this side. I'll be rooting for you over here.
See, this isn't so bad, Grandpup. Nice and calm. You'll feel better about aquatic life in no time.
I don't think catching no fish gonna help me.
Didn't your incident happen on a fancy fishing boat?
It was sushi on a fancy yacht, dog. My first time eating raw sushi, but the fish was literally too raw. It was still alive when I swallowed it. It had tough skin that made it hard to digest, so it just sat in my stomach for days. I could feel it writhing around, desperately fighting to escape. I swear I could hear it screaming sometimes.
It depends, somebody help me.
I was paid very well after the stomach pump and lawsuit, but I could never look at fish the same way again.
Sorry, you were mumbling a lot. Are you still talking to me?
Oh, forget it.
Come on, did I use the wrong bait?
No catches. Such a shame. I guess it's time to pack up.
Slow your roll, old man. It's nighttime. The incandescent fish should start showing up soon. Did you get something? Reel it in! I'll get the air fryer!
You know, it doesn't feel that strong. It's probably just seaweed or something. Why don't we just pack up and go?
Barely any seaweed in this pond. Bet we caught some grade A meat. Oh, what? Alright, forget it. Let's head back.
Well, we could play one of them fishing video games you like when we get back. You're bound to catch something there, right?
I'm good on the fish. I was just looking forward to helping you. I said let's head back, not put it on your back.
It's sticky. Could you get it for me, please? What? Why'd you make that noise? What was that? You see that? What was that?
I've seen that before. Wakame crab, a crustacean that camouflages in the seaweed. They don't live around here, though. Why is it here?
Is it gonna kill us?
Wakame crab eggs require very specific environmental conditions to properly grow. They are typically laid within a healthy, live host.
What? Oh, no. Get away from me. Get back. Shoot. Get away, you little critter. Go get. Help me. Help me. Get down.
Stop.
Do something.
Hold still. I'm trying to get it off your face. Stop panicking.
Help me, please. Dog, are you okay?
Believe it or not, I've been through worse. Where is it?
Wait, stop. Are you ready to leave now?
Yes, I am.